फोन एक अच्छा इंसान को पागल बना सकता है और पागल इंसान को अच्छा बना सकता है। ये कब होगा? जब आप इस फोन का इस्तेमाल करना चाहेंगे। English we were talking about YouTube. So as you know that YouTube plays a very important role in our life. Obviously YouTube is a big platform and many people use YouTube for many purposes. Guys, you know, some people use YouTube for earning platform. Some people use YouTube for earning purpose. Some use for learning purpose. Some use for entertaining purpose. So there are many purposes that people can use YouTube. So if you are a student, you can use YouTube for learning purpose. Today there are many teachers on YouTube who are teaching free of cost. Today education has become very easy for us. Suppose that if you do not have money, if you are not from a very rich family, not an issue, just buy a phone. Invest only 10,000 rupees, 10,000 में एक फ़ोन खरीद लीजिए and you can learn about the whole world. आप पूरी दुनिया की नॉलेज ले सकते हैं. It is not just a phone only, it is a treasure of knowledge. ये इल्म का खजाना है. So if you have a phone, you can use your phone in a positive way. You can complete your studies. You are now in class 12th, right? In class 11. So you can study your whole syllabus on YouTube. Because there are many education channels who are offering you free education. You can study history, political science, geography, commerce, science, English, everything. So, but you have to decide yourself that whether you want to take benefit or not. If you want to take benefit from YouTube, there are many options you can take. There are many people who are ready to help you. So YouTube is a big platform. We not only can study on YouTube, we can entertain ourselves. For example, when you are feeling bored, then just go to YouTube. You will find some funny videos, comedy videos. So you can entertain yourself. If you never have been given a chance to meet Shah Rukh Khan, just go to YouTube, you can meet him. You can see his videos. He can see his style. Like so it means that on YouTube we can learn a lot of things. We can watch a lot of things. We can watch what is going on around the world. For example, now FIFA World Cup in Qatar is being played. You know, it's being played, FIFA World Cup. So the sport you can see on YouTube. If you want to see an inspirational movie, and since as of now today we don't have any cinema hall in our locality, so we can just go to YouTube and we can watch an educational video, educational movie on YouTube, right? So today education has become very easy. We have the biggest platform, YouTube. We must be thankful to YouTube for giving us such a great opportunity. Understood? So today you cannot make an excuse that today we don't have time, we don't have money, we are not from a rich family, then how can we study? You have many options. You only have to use your phone positively. वो कहते हैं कि फ़ोन का इस्तेमाल जो है ना, और पागल इंसान को अच्छा इंसान बना सकता है. फ़ोन एक अच्छा इंसान को पागल बना सकता है और पागल इंसान को अच्छा बना सकता है. ये कब होगा? जब आप इस फ़ोन का इस्तेमाल करना चाहेंगे. फ़ोन में आपका सिर्फ यूट्यूब ही नहीं, इंटरनेट है. इंटरनेट की दुनिया बहुत बड़ी है. वी कैन लर्न मैनी थिंग्स, राइट? सो फॉर एग्जाम्पल राइट नाउ वी आर जस्ट लर्निंग इंग्लिश. सो यू कैन ऑल्सो लर्न इंग्लिश फ्रॉम यूट्यूब. चूँकि क्लास में हम जो पढ़ाएंगे आपको एक तरह से वो लिमिटेड कहने की होती है. 2 घंटे में हम लोग, 1.5-2 घंटे में हम लोग बहुत कुछ नहीं ले सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं आपको एक स्ट्रक्चर बता दिया, लेकिन उसी को आप ढेर तरीके से देख सकते हैं. यूट्यूब में ढेर तरीके से लोग दिखाते हैं. गूगल है, इंटरनेट में बहुत तरह से चीज़ें हैं. आप वहाँ से आइडियाज़ ले सकते हैं. कॉपी पेस्ट नहीं करना है, बट यू कैन टेक आइडियाज फ्रॉम देयर. नो, सो right now you are just students and you have the great opportunity. You are living in a technological world. अभी का जो ज़माना वो टेक्नोलॉजी का है. and you all have cell phones. सबके पास फ़ोन है. So be clever in using your phones. Once you become clever, then you can take the most benefit of YouTube and of your phone. We are not having phone just to see videos and reels on Instagram, or just for using Facebook and WhatsApp. This is not for the use of the phone, right? So if you have the phone, be clever how to use the phone. Don't waste your time just by watching reels and comedies and all things. Be clever in using your phone in a positive manner, and inshallah you will be great one day. Okay? Thank you very much.